In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set proofing language in Onenote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, let's dive into the Onenote app. If you haven't opened it yet, now is the time. Onenote is available on various platforms, so make sure you're accessing it on a device that you are comfortable with, be it your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once you have Onenote open, ensure you are logged into your account to access all your notebooks and notes. Once you're in OneNote, look for the option labelled My Notebooks. It might be located in the sidebar or under the File menu, depending on the version you are using. Click on My Notebooks to select the particular notebook where you want to establish a proofing language. This selection is important because the language settings can be adjusted for different notebooks to suit your writing needs. With the correct notebook open, your next step is to navigate to the Review tab. The Review tab is your gateway to accessing language and proofing settings, among other useful tools like spell check and translation features. It is typically found near other tabs like Home and Insert. In the Review section, you will find an option for Language. Go ahead and click on it to continue. OneNote provides several features under this menu that are essential for linguistically diverse users, ensuring your documents are coherent and correctly structured in the language of your choice. Now let's move forward and select Set Proofing Language. This will open a dialog box displaying a list of languages available for use within OneNote. Look through the list and identify the language you wish to set as your proofing language. Scroll through the options or use the search feature if you're having trouble finding the right one. Remember, choosing the right language is important as it affects spell check, grammar corrections, and various other tools. If you're working in multiple languages, you might have to switch this setting frequently, so becoming familiar with this process can save you time and improve the accuracy of your notes. After selecting your desired language, don't forget to confirm your choice by clicking on the OK or Set button, depending on your version of OneNote. This will apply the language to your current notebook and enhance your writing with accurate proofing according to the chosen language. And that's it! By following these steps, you'll have successfully set the proofing language in OneNote, ensuring your notes are precise and professionally composed. Thanks for joining me today, and happy note taking.